Why Shiba Inu is the future of cryptocurrency. What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu, the things on the pipeline, and why I truly and wholeheartedly believe that it is going to be the future of cryptocurrency. And I mean, not in the short term, not just in the long term, but overall. Starting yesterday, Shiba Inu has been one of those crypto assets that people really need to pay close attention to. Yes, the price action hasn't been the best, but we need to look beyond that. Don't have narrow vision and looking at only what the charts look like. Rather, look at the potential and look what the future potentially has to hold. So right now, Shiba Inu is at 739 Satoshi units. And if you look down at the year chart, it has just been undergoing what we call consolidation. Lots of people just, again, holding their position, not many new investors coming in, maybe some day trading here and there and swing trades, maybe some manipulation from whales here and there. But overall, we've been trading sideways ever since the sell-off in early June all the way through now, beginning of September. 3 months of consolidation. So as an investor, consolidation really does not excite you unless it's consolidation and upward movement. Meaning, if we would have shot up to 3,600 Satoshi units where we were at all-time highs and consolidated up there, that should excite people because that's a very bullish flag and bullish indicator. But consolidation after a sell-off, that's not exciting. So what we're awaiting right now is catalysts that are going to come that will poise this cryptocurrency for takeoff. And we're going to talk about each and every one of those things today throughout the video. But again, lots of boring. The chart is not very exciting, but let's go ahead and talk about why I am excited for the future of SHIB and why I think it will return to all-time highs by the end of the year. But remember, guys, first and foremost, that my videos are not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. You guys know that's my saying every single time, but there's a good reason for that, because I know a lot of people who've been saying things like, hey, I'm all in on SHIB. Well, so am I. It's my biggest position, my biggest holding in my portfolio, but I am diversified in other crypto assets. So let's go ahead and talk about what the future has to hold. First and foremost, I do want to mention the link in the description below, and a big shout out for Webull for allowing me to become an affiliate of theirs. You get your 2 free stocks when you deposit 1 cent into your Webull brokerage account. Go ahead, get up to minimum of $13 for a 1 cent deposit. Up to $2,300 could be yours, and the ability to trade Shiba Inu on Webull is now live. A minimum of $1 is all that's needed to trade SHIB. And again, no Ethereum fees. Those ERC20 blockchain fees are no longer there on Webull's brokerage. Now, let's go on to the video. The overall cryptocurrency market has been on a rally over the last few weeks. Bitcoin approaching its all-time highs near 50,000, going towards that 60,000 mark. And I'm anticipating that we're going to reach it very soon, probably the next few weeks here. Ethereum, Cardano, again, tokens are going out of control. The overall cryptocurrency market by market cap is approaching the $2.5 trillion mark, which is again where it was at all-time highs. But Shiba Inu has been consolidating. So the question is why? Why have we not seen the takeoff yet? And here are some of the things that I want to mention. When it comes to exchange listings, just to quickly highlight that, we know Webull listed Shiba Inu. So for short-term investing, a lot of people have just been saying, hey, where are the other exchange listings, including Robinhood and Coinbase? But make sure you guys understand, a big shout out to Webull, of course, and that's why I push their link so much, is they listen to their investors and they listen to the people that are utilizing their platform. So we need to all pay attention and make sure that we appreciate this, because now Coinbase and Robinhood will be looking at adding Shiba Inu after seeing this kind of news. But now let's talk about what Shiba Inu is and why it truly is the future of cryptocurrency. First and foremost, decentralization. One thing that Shiba Inu is doing a great job of, the development team and the community alike are doing a fantastic job of keeping things decentralized. And again, the big thing right now in 2021 is that what they state here on their white paper, or the wolf paper, is we are standing at a pivotal moment in innovation. Until now, centralization has been the prerequisite for all of our official structures. Political, educational, and financial systems alike are and always have been crafted in a way that does not equally and ethically distribute power to those functioning within them. 2021 did open up our eyes to how little control the average person has in the face of these overarching generational structures. When GameStop and AMC stock value exploded seemingly overnight, Wall Street Bets tested the waters of what it could, or what it would look like, to disperse control to consumers and inexperienced investors alike. It was inspiring, but it didn't last long. Just when the movement seemed to be on the brink of success, it was throttled by the bureaucracy of our centralized society. However, not before this concept of a new power among the people took root. Months before any of these events made international news, Ryoshi was already setting his 100% community-based cryptocurrency experiment into motion. Cryptocurrency itself comes from the idea of disrupting routine and redefining how wealth can be acquired. Pay attention to these words, guys. These are powerful words, which goes against traditional processes by its very nature. And yet, most, if not all, cryptocurrencies function within a system of enforceable rules. That's the thing. Some crypto assets are very centralized. It's easy to see when we look back at cases like SEC's win over the Kin ecosystem as centralized authority, or when we consider how the Binance Smart Chain seems to use centralized authority to offer benefits over the decentralized partnerships like Ethereum, again, a more decentralized platform and blockchain. So make sure you guys understand, decentralization is here to stay. It's something that will give power to those who have always been out of power. And that's why I love it so much. I think that, again, it gives that democratizing the trading space, and democratizing the, just the power of wealth, power of money, power of finance, power of education. All these different applications within the crypto sphere we're all seeing them now. And there are some tokens that are going to be the ones who are the leaders of the decentralized finance space, decentralized ecosystems. And I think Shiba Inu is going to be at the forefront because of the fact that we have been growing at a rapid pace. Look what's happened since the beginning of the year. In 2021, the DEX officially launched, the decentralized exchange platform from ShibaSwap, a place for people to earn passive income utilizing the dig or adding to the liquidity pool feature, and also using the berry feature where you can stake your tokens and gain passive income. Again, utilizing your tokens to help verify transactions. But the thing that we need to understand is all of this has been so far utilized by the Ethereum blockchain, ERC20 token. The big shift that's going to happen by the end of the year is the Shibarium edition. So if you guys saw what Satoshi mentioned on his information for phase 2 for Shiba Inu starting August 1st through the end of the year and moving over to the next year, they mentioned swap at the beginning, but the thing that really excites me is not Doggy DAO. It's not really anything except Shibarium or the layer 2 blockchain. Shibarium is Shiba's own blockchain. Our team has begun working with friends at XFund to complete this project. There's a large team assigned to completing this in a timely fashion. It is no easy task, of course, to create a working blockchain, but we believe we will complete this task this year as it fits with the other interlocking components of the ecosystem. Again, this will be fully decentralized and the blockchain will be, as everything we do, community driven. And that's one thing that Shiba Inu has done a fantastic job of, and that's why the numbers are speaking for themselves. There are no other crypto assets with 650,000 holders after literally a few months of rolling out the marketing of their asset. Nothing. It has been the domino effect. One person and the word of mouth. One person tells another person who tells another person tells another person. People like myself who are in the YouTube space, I got super excited about this crypto asset way back in May. Ever since then, the amount of support and love that I've been receiving from the community has kept me going. Every day, full throttle, gas on, foot on the gas at full speed. Morning and evening uploads because of how strong this community is. And because of that, in the last few months, we've seen hundreds of thousands of new holders and new investors in this space. And the numbers are only here to stay and increase over time. So make sure you guys are understanding that Shiba Inu, with the things on the respective blockchain, the new blockchain that is coming out, Shibarium or the layer 2, in addition to that, all of the things on the pipeline, potentially Shiba World, a gaming platform, an MMORPG. Think about this for a second. If Shiba World's become a thing, shout out to JD Finance or JD's updates for actually making content around this. If Shiba World becomes an actual game, guys, it is an absolute game over. Return to all-time highs, a 10x, a 100x, a 1000x potential from here is 100% something that I will back. And I put my money where my mouth is. And of course, that's why I'm very transparent that I hold over 500 million SHIB. I hold a decent amount of bone, and I do hold some leash. So again, I want to continue to increase my position every time I see this crypto asset decrease in price, because when they panic, you guys know what the saying is, so say it right now in the comments, we pounce. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in today, and I hope this video gives you at least more understanding of why I really think that Shiba Inu is going to be the future of cryptocurrency. A community-driven crypto. breaking all things centralized and becoming a 100% decentralized entity. Make sure you subscribe and like the video so we can get it out to as many people as possible. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, Shib Army, keep investing. Peace.